Oh, my name is Aidan Dennehy, and I'm going to show you my capstone project made alongside Antonia Benedetto and Erwin Alvarez. Our capstone is called Polifacts. Polifacts is a simple way to access information about your local representative or senator. So there's a lot of news media that covers a lot of things about politics, so we didn't try to compete there. But if you are looking for raw information about specifically what bills your senator is putting to the floor, then you can come to Polifacts. It's a very simple interface. Um, on landing on the homepage, we will prompt you for your location and then put a pin where you are on this chart.js map. And we will also load your local representatives and senators. And in this case, let's go visit Mike Quigley's page. We can see his recent bill sponsorship. So let's pull this site act up. You're going to see the longer title of his particular bill. And then if you click on this, then you will see a page for this bill. In this case, this bill is not passed yet. It hasn't had a vote, so there's nothing showing down here. But in the case of a bill that does have a vote or has passed or failed on the floor, we will be able to see the result down here. And then if we go back, we can also see, as part of seeing his state and role, you can also see his total votes and finally his missed votes. And missed votes was an interesting little metric we added. I didn't realize this, but some senators and congresspeople will miss like 50% of their votes. So I was amazed by that, and we decided to add that, just in case you want to call out your local senator for missing 50% of the days on their job. So then we can look at the recent votes of this particular senator. In this case, Mike Quigley has made a series of votes on the same bill, and no, this is not a bug. I learned during this process that actually sometimes votes will go, or bills will go through like 19 different votes in one day. So yeah, then we can pull up our navigation bar. And let's say you are not looking for your local senator, but you're just passionate about a certain subject. So let's say you're passionate about education bills. You can use our Polifacts interface to access all of the bills about education that came out recently. And again, same thing. You can pull this up here and view the information as well as the sponsor. Finally, we have a view Congress members. Let's say you don't want to view your local Congress members, but you just want to see more information about the Congress members in general. You can simply choose a sort filter, let's say show by name, and filter them however you want. Let's say I want to see Republicans from Connecticut. There are none that exist. So let's look at Republicans from, fingers crossed, I feel like Louisiana has to have some Republicans. There we go. So now we can see all Louisiana Republicans and go to their pages if we so wish. And that is pretty much it for Polifacts. In terms of the technology we use, this is a React site. We're calling from a Google API as well as a ProPublica API, and we're using chart.js for the map. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I hope you have a bit easier time accessing your actual information about politics with Polifacts.